guys, welcome to my channel The Affected Banda. My name is Sajid Bonik, and guys, today I'm going to react on current topic video friend. And today's topic name is Leave Me by Poor King music video friend. So this music video I'm going to react friend, and in my video below you can find hashtag Indian reaction current. Guys, tap on it, you will find all reaction videos from current. So I'm very much excited friend. Let's start.
Kalau mah, kaki loh. Tidak lagi boleh semuanya.
I think they come for taking money, and they said if you don't give money, then we will don't leave you. Oh man, the birds sound are awesome, man. Oh shit. Is it money? Why she give money?
Good to park with a car. Maybe dinner or let go hit up the plate. Party under the party, my any out of the lofty love. Die we poi me lana. Need a good to body land. What it do ya to I Party please
This boy is superb sweet. She goes with another boy and he saw that. He will not tell to his friend, I think. I think he's gonna break up. And he tells everything what he saw. He's gone upset. Current girls, man, are really beautiful.
Let me go hit up the plate. party under the party.
Oh, he saw the three guys who disturbed that boy, and his friend is sitting with that guy. He's explaining, but he said, leave me. The boy is very sad. They are coming. He takes the girl. Oh, it's really sad, man. It's really sad. So, guys, the music is very much awesome and very much awesome. The current songs are, man, very much awesome, man. It's a sad song. It's what can I say? Leave Me. I understand lastly why this title got Leave Me. And if I say the music, man, the music is very melodious, man. Tell me the singer name. I think Poor King is the singer, yes. And wow, what a talent guy, man. Very awesome, melodious, sweet voice, man. Sweet voice. It's don't understanding your country's language, but then also I feel the music, man. It really go stuck in my heart, man. It literally goes stuck in my heart. I love it very much, man. I love it very much. And what can I say about the concert, man? Firstly, it given that three guys are came to that guy. So I think they are asking for money. I think he takes some money from them guy and don't return. So that's why they come to take that money. And he says that I don't have money. And I think the three guys given some time that if you don't give, we will not keep you alive. I think they want them. I think, and they goes. And then a moment later, his second friend who is carrying that guitar, he I think helped them, and I don't understand why that guitar friend is there, because suddenly that girl came and the girl has given the money to take some meal for them. I think they are very much poor, they don't have some money. I think they lost everything. I think so the girl I think helped them. And the girl is also that boy's friend also, and so that the girl helped that guy to take some milk so they can feed. And one day the guitar friend was walking and suddenly looked at that girl who the money taker came. That girl was staying with the three guys and capturing some photos and videos. Shown in this video, and he saw, the guitar friend saw, and suddenly he told his friend that your girlfriend or your best friend is basically our enemy. And he was very much sad when listened that, and he very much upset, very much hurt. And he also don't believe his guitar friend was, so he said that I will also go and watch if you are correct or not. Then he goes to his guitar friend, and he also saw that yes, this is the guitar friend is telling right, and the water is coming from his eye. And that moment the girl also came and pardoning, I think, what can I say, so please sorry for it. I think she is telling sorry, and the boy says no, leave me alone. So this is the title, Leave Me by Poor King. So the three guy came and the girl goes. It's a very much really stabbing story, man. Very good story, very emotional story, and the music I love. Besides, the music is great, then the voice is great, man. The voice is great. It's a heart-touching story, but in my way, I would say that it's a very much melodious, man. It's very much melodious story. So guys, how much you like my reaction and review, then please like this video and also subscribe my channel if you are new here, friend. I'll come with another new video, friend. Till then, keep healthy, keep smiling, and stay safe from coronavirus. In America and Australia, it is very much held, very much is there in, very much is occurring in America. So you guys are also there in America and Australia. So guys, please stay safe and please also save your parents, save your relatives, and don't shake your hands to others. It's very much a dangerous, friend. Hope so that vaccine will come soon, friend. We are all are waiting for the vaccine, friend. While this vaccine will come, we all are waiting for that. And what can I say, guys? Keep healthy, keep smiling. I will come with another new video. Till then, bye bye.